Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to perform linear search program in Python, also called as how to search a particular number that is present in a list. You can call it both the ways. So let's get started. So this is my list over here. If you want, you can get the input from the user as well. I will just manually assigning it and let my number to be searched n equal to, basically I will have it as 5. So same thing, also get the input from the user if you want to. So for this we will be using a simple for loop at first. So with the help of that for loop, we will iterate throughout the list. So at first what will be, we will iterate from 0th element, first, second, third and fourth till the end. And in the each iteration, we will be comparing that particular index element with the number that we want to search. So 1 will be compared to 5, 20 will be compared to 5, 40 will be compared with 5. So if that particular index or the element that is present inside our list is equal to the number that we are searching, we will just print found. Simple, okay? And then after that I will be explaining you how to find if that element is not present in the list as well. So let's begin the coding now. So as I told you, we'll be using a for loop over here. So it's for I in range 0 comma length of our list, length of L, and no need to put length of L plus 1 because this starts from 0 till length of the list minus 1. Okay, that's how for loop works. So that's what we are having in the indexing as well, from 0 till length of the list minus 1. So no need to add plus 1 over here. And as I told you, we need to compare the elements present inside our list with a number to be searched. So it's going to be a if condition. If list of I, okay, I equality our number. Okay, so if it is true, we will be just print, I will just have element, or I will put number, that would make sense. Okay, number found in, I will just print the index. Okay, index where it is present, yeah, I. So this program will work well now. So if I just now run it, I'll be getting number found in index number 3 because this is the third index. Okay, it starts from 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3. It is found. That works well and good. Okay, this is working fine now. So but we are having an issue over here, so now I'll just close this one. So the issue is that what if this number is not present? So I will just put 6 over here now. Yeah, 6 is not present in our list. So if I just now run it, we will be getting an empty output. See, nothing, we have got nothing because 6 is in present. So now we need to devise a condition if that particular number is not present in our list. So the initial thought would be like we need to put a else block over here. We'll just put a else block and print number not found. Okay, this is like many of you, I had this thought first. We will just putting a else block and print number not found, but this won't work because this particular statement will be printed many number of times. So I will go with 5. Okay, 5 is present in the list, and if I run this code, I will be getting both the things printed. So I will just now run it. You can see in the output, right? Like, yeah, so here you can see even though it is found, we will be getting displayed no not found these many times. So we need to change this won't work. So for this I will go with 6. Okay, the particular number that isn't present in the list. So for this we need to use a flag or an extra variable. So simple, I will explain you after typing it out. So first let me have my flag or extra variable as 0. I will initialize with value 0. And if that particular number is present inside our list, I will just have the flag value changed to 1. Okay, so simple, I'm having a variable initialized to 0, and if that particular, and inside the if condition, okay, I'm not putting inside the for loop, I am changing the value of this f variable inside the if condition. So only if this condition is satisfied, which means that only if our number that we are searching is present inside our list is there, I am just changing the flag variable to 1. Okay, so this is well and good now. So after this print statement, just come to the part which is outside the for loop. Okay, just come to the part which is outside the for loop. Basically just come to the end. Okay, yeah, no indentation, outside the for loop, and I will just have a if condition. If our variable, that is flag variable, equal to 0, I will just print, I will just copy this. Yeah, I will just copy this now and I will just paste it. I will just put number not found. Yeah, okay, I hope this made sense. So now let me explain you how this is going to work. So initially what happens is that our L is going to be 1. Okay, so 1 equal to n is 6, condition is false. It doesn't go inside this if condition, if statement itself, because false. Next 20 equal to 6, false, false, false. Like this if condition is going to be false throughout this entire program because 6 is not present inside the list itself. So what happens if this if condition is not going to be true? Our f value will remain 0 throughout the program execution, and the print statement will also not get printed, and our f will also not equal to 1. The reason is because 6 is not present, so this if condition will never become true, and this particular code block will never get executed in the program's flow. So, and at the end of this for loop, when like the I value reaches 10, 10 equal to 6, condition, that condition is also false. Our f value will still remain as 0 since our number is not present, since this if condition will never become true. So at the end of this for loop, our f value will still remain as 0. So which means that f equal to 0, number is not found. So this is for a number that is not present in our list. So what if I will go with 5 now? Okay, 5. So now let me explain you. First, 1 equal to 5 condition is false. F still remains as 0. And next element is going to be 20. 20 equal to 5 condition is false. F still remains as 0 because f equal to 1. This condition won't get executed. It won't even come inside this statement. Okay. Next, 40 equal to 5. Again false. It won't come here. F still remains as 0. Next, 5 equal to 5. So here is the twist. Okay. This condition becomes true and our f value becomes 1. So after this particular statement, after this 5 equal to 5, our f value becomes 1. Okay. And later then nothing happens. 8 equal to 5, that is false. But still our f condition is 1 because we have changed the f condition because that particular element is present in the list. So f value becomes 1, and after the end of this for loop, f value still becomes 1, and it also get printed. Okay, when 5 value becomes equal to n, 5 equal to 5, f will also become 1, and this particular statement will be getting printed. Okay, so after all this thing after the for loop gets over, it comes over here, f equal to 0. This condition is false now because f value is 1 because that particular number n is present inside the list. Okay, it's so simple to be honest. If that particular number is present inside the list, we are just changing the f value as 1 and this won't get printed. Number not found won't be getting printed. If I change this to 6, the number f won't get changed to 1, f will remain 0 forever and number not found will be printed. So this is basically how it works. So now let me just now run and show you if it works. So I will go with n equal to 5, 5 is present. Okay, I will run it. Yeah, number found in index 3, and if I go with 6 now, and if I now run it, yeah, I'll be getting number not found. So this is working fine. So now I will show you a final scenario. Okay, so what if we had, I will change this to 5. So what if we had multiple numbers? So I'm going to add some 5 over here. So 5 is occurring twice now. So if I just now run it, we will be getting 3 print statements. Okay, 3 print statement, number found in 3, number found in 6, and number found in 7. So this is going to be our output. Yeah, 3, 6 and 7 because we are having 5 occurring twice, basically duplicates. So if this is well and good, if you want the print statement to go for twice, if you want the output to be printed like this way, this program is well and good. But what if you wanted to only find the first occurrence of that number? So you want the output to be number found in 3, that's it. After this you don't want this extra 2 additional lines. So in that case you can just have a break statement over here. Okay, break statement below the print. Okay, don't put it above the print. So if I just now save it and run it, I will be getting the first occurrence only. Yeah, I'm not getting number occurred in 6 and number occurred in 7. So if you want that to be that way, you can add this break statement. So other than that, this is the code guys, and I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also run many other tutorials in Python, C, C++, Java, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL. So do check other videos of my channel as well as the playlist. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.